Hello everyone, this is Eric from Lachance Group. Do you know that feed costs make up 17% of a producer's cost to produce market hogs? So, to reduce the feed cost is an internal topic, especially in the COVID-19 epidemic situation. Today, I will show you a new choice and I believe the best choice to reduce the feed cost for your swine. That is our product Runeon Bile Acid. Bile acid can promote fat and oil digestion and absorption. So, bile acids can reduce the fat or oil content in the piglet feed. Take an example. If you add soybean oil 20 to 30 kg per ton feed for piglets, and then 300 bile acid can reduce 5 to 7.5 kg oil per ton feed. On the other hand, adding bile acid can reduce the crude protein content in the piglet feed. If the crude protein in the piglet feed is 18%, bile acid can reduce it by 0.12%. What's more, bile acid can prevent the mycotoxins be absorbed in the intestine, and bile acid can take the mycotoxins out of the liver and gallbladder. So, bile acid can replace part of toxins binder and optimize your feed quality. So, for more information, please follow us. Thank you.
As the most professional manufacturer in China, Lachance Bile Acids has been approved as one new type feed additives, and it has earned good reputation from the clients in domestic and overseas.